हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी फर्स्ट के मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। इसे हम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन बैंक भी कह सकते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम यूनिट नंबर 4 पर क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। यूनिट नंबर 4 में दो चैप्टर है। फर्स्ट पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम एंड सेकंड स्पेशल सेंसेस। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको किसी सवाल का जवाब आता है या आपके नॉलेज में है तो आप उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम क्वेश्चन विद आंसर। सो क्वेश्चन विद आंसर ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। यूनिट नंबर 4 में फर्स्ट चैप्टर है पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 241 है, व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम मेड अप ऑफ? Answer is C. 242. How many pairs of spinal nerves are there? Answer is D. 243. Chemicals in the neuron that help send messages. Answer is D. 244. What is not part of the peripheral nervous system? Answer is C. 245. How many pairs of cranial nerves are there? Answer is C. 246. What is not a response of the sympathetic nervous system? Answer is B. 247. Cranial nerve second conducts visual information and is called the. Answer is B. 248. The fight or flight response during threatening situations in the role of the. Answer is C. 249. The dash part of the autonomic nervous system is active during resting. Answer is D. 250. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system are part of the. Answer is B. 251. There are 8 pairs of dash nerves. Answer is C. 252. Part of the peripheral that controls conscious activity. Answer is B. 253. The part of the nervous system that consists of the nerves that branch out of from the CNS and connect to other body parts. Answer is D. 254. A network of spinal nerves. Answer is B. 255. D dash response is known as fight or flight. Answer is B. 256. There are 12 pairs of dash nerves. Answer is D. 257. There is one pair of dash nerves. Answer is D. 258. The dash nervous system control unconscious activities. Answer is D. 259. There are 5 pairs of dash nerves. Answer is A. 260. There are 5 pairs of dash nerves. Answer is A. 261. PNS stand for. Answer is B. 262. The peripheral nervous system is made up of. Answer is C. 263. What is the function of the peripheral nervous system? Answer is A. 264. The part of the nervous system that consists of the nerves that branch out of from the CNS, central nervous system, and connect to other body parts. Answer is D. 265. Chemical substance that help relay messages from one neuron to another. Answer is B. 266. What is not a response of the sympathetic nervous system? Answer is D. 267. All spinal nerves are dash nerves. Answer is C. 268. Which cranial nerves control the movement of the eyeball? Answer is B. 269. Facial nerves. Answer is B. 270. Accessory nerve. Answer is neck muscles. चैप्टर नंबर 2 है, यूनिट नंबर 4 में स्पेशल सेंसेस। 271 क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ योर आई आर ट्रांसपेरेंट? आंसर इज सी। 272 व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्लियर पार्ट ऑफ द आई? आंसर इज डी। 273 what is the largest structure of the ear? Answer is D. 274 olfactory receptor can be found. Answer is B. 275. Which is not an auditory ossicle? Answer is A. 276. About how many taste buds are on the human tongue? Answer is C. 277. What is the function of the pupil? Answer is B. 278. The main part of the ear that we see externally is called the. Answer is C. 279. The dash are the two openings of the nose. Answer is D. 280. The tongue is covered with a layer of bumps called. Answer is D. 281. The innermost layer of the eyeball is called the. Answer is C. 282. The mucous membrane that lines the eyelids and covers the front of the eye is called the. Answer is D. 283. In humans, the white portion of the eye is called the. Answer is B. 284. Which eye structure determines a person's eye color? Answer is C. 285. Which of the following statement is true regarding the taste buds? Answer is B. 286. Which of the following senses uses chemoreceptors in order to send signal to the brain? Answer is A. 287. The tympanic membrane is also known as. Answer is B. 288. Which diagnostic tool is used to examine the ear? Answer is D. 289. Medical term for pink eye. Answer is A. 290. Which part of the ear acts as the sound collector? Answer is A. 291. When proteins build up in the lens causing cloudy vision? Answer is A. 292. These are the teeny hair inside your nose. Answer is cilia. Next question, 293. This is a part of the nose that can receive and detect the different odors. Answer is C. 294. This is the large open space inside the nose and where air comes in when we breathe. Answer is B. Last question is 295. These are two small openings in the nose.